we said that we were gonna make a video to explain to you the products. So for those of you that already ordered and received your box, you're gonna see what each items are. And for those that are interested, you'll know what you'll get in your first box.
In the box.
Yeah, so you will get 4 shakes. There's different kinds of them. You can buy either one of each, or you can do 2 the same.
Or all the same. That's
Same
up to
product.
you. Yeah.
Exactly. Then you have your cleanse, which is the chewables. You have the little chocolates, or you can do the little chips with that, and you get 2 tubs of the Cleanse for Life. We will do a small video just to explain what the cleanse
Explain
is.
more and to do it all together, so it's gonna be easier.
Exactly. And then you have the Ionics. It's just a shot that you take in the morning. So you take 1 ounce of the Ionics. This helps with the stress level that you have. It's full of adaptogens in those, so you get 1 a day.
And you give a lot of energy.
Yes. And you also have the Natural Accelerator, which you take twice a day, 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon. This will help with also your...
It's activate your body and digestion and everything.
Exactly. So. And then you take 2 Isa Comfort before bedtime, either 1 or 2. This helps with the digestion of your system.
And in the box, you're gonna have some surprise. You're gonna have a
shaker cup.
Shaker.
Measuring tape.
Help me with my English. And sometimes it's better to get some measure because it's not reflecting on the scale, the number on the scale. So, and you get some
pamphlets, just some details that you can read on and get more details.
And in one of that, the cleanse, it's explained, so it's very interesting. So.
Exactly, in details. We also have those that are either pregnant or just gave birth to a beautiful baby. You get a mom bundle. So you can either get a box of protein bars. You also get 2 tubs of the shakes. Immune, which is for it helps with your immune system. And you also get a tub of the hydrate.
Yeah, because some new mama don't have time to cook because the baby take all the time.
Yes.
So it's help. So it's very good thing to you. And
so if you have any questions, just give us a call or shoot us a message.
Yeah,
bye.